start.
Tell us about your book, Keep Eating, Keep Losing.
Well, Keep Eating, Keep Losing is a holistic strategy, guys, to basically assist people to reorganize their life and make a healthy living a part of the daily routine without really struggling much, without really putting much efforts. Because I'm trying to explain people how easy it is to actually follow a healthy routine. You don't need to really struggle much. And so my book is based on three components. First is health eating, exercise, and rest. Because I believe all those three components are very intimately connected together. You can't cheat on one and believe the rest will follow and work. You actually need to follow a very wholesome, balanced diet in order to keep yourself very fit, healthy, happy, and free of all the cravings.
Okay, how you started it?
The journey has started basically being a model, then I turned actress. Standing in front of the camera, it has been always a part of our job, I must say. So I was continuously, enjoying this journey of educating myself more and more. And one day I decided, no, it's time for me to educate myself more. So in order, I have become a certified nutritionist. And once this part was done, I thought I should share my thoughts. I should share that how easy it is to to take care of yourself and to take care of your body. So I decided to write a book on health, therefore Keep Eating, Keep Losing, because I wanted to bend with the title the biggest myths which is happening all over India and basically all over the world, that once you want to lose weight you have to starve. No, that's the worst thing you can do. If you want to lose weight, you have to eat regularly, exercise, and follow a beautiful balanced routine. So hence, keep eating, keep losing.